Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to forward voice messages on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, go to your chat inbox by tapping the message icon in the top right corner. Next, open any conversation by tapping on a chat. To record a voice message, press and hold the microphone icon at the bottom right. Record your message and wait until it's fully sent. Once the voice message is sent, tap and hold on the message you just recorded. A menu will appear. From the options, select Forward. A list of your chats will pop up. Choose the person or chat you want to forward the message to and then tap Send. Now go to that person's chat, you'll see the voice message has been forwarded successfully. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.